Local news for Tuesday the 25th of September. The cause of several students becoming sick last Friday has been determined. Compost on a neighbouring property has been determined as the cause of the sulphur smell, which resulted in a full emergency response and 10 children admitted to Wairarapa Hospital from Southend School in Carterton. Authorities have confirmed there is no longer any risk from the compost. Friday night, over 100 people went through a decontamination process with the fire and emergency hazmat teams. Traffic detours will take place during nighttime road repairs on State Highway 2 in Masterton, along with High Street. The works begin tonight for up to 3 nights, with the highway closed to through traffic between Judd's Road and the High Street roundabout because of the large number of patches required. And this Saturday, the Giants Softball Club will be in action with men's and women's softball, and they'll take on Bromac from Palmerston North in a pre-season tournament beginning at midday at South Park.